Hola amigos, welcome to Learn Spanish World. My name is Mr. Briggs, I am a Spanish teacher, and today I will help you to learn how to say nice to meet you in Spanish. I upload videos every Friday, so if you do not want to miss out, click the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you get a reminder every time I upload a video. Okay, are you ready? Let's learn how to say nice to meet you in Spanish. Mucho gusto. That means nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. You can also say es un placer. That means nice to meet you, but its literal translation would be something like it's a pleasure. Es un placer. It's a real pleasure to meet you. Es un placer. Another way you can say nice to meet you in Spanish is encantado if you're a boy. Encantada if you're a girl. Encantado if you're a man. Encantada if you're a woman. Encantado de conocerle. O encantada de conocerle, feminine. That means I'm really enchanted to meet you, literally. Very good, my dear friends. That was all for today. Subscribe. I upload videos every Friday, and at the moment I'm working on some new videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload videos every Friday. I'm actually currently working on some new videos with different topics and different areas of Spanish that may assist you. So subscribe. That way you will not miss out. Adios.